Well, we're here today in the Cooking with KooKoo YouTube kitchen, getting ready to whip up some Mexican flatbread pizza, a dish that we are going to test out to see if we have a host for one of our events coming in later this afternoon, and trying to see if it's something that she might like on her event. We're starting up with our fall events now, and we're getting pretty excited about it. So let's whip this Mexican flatbread pizza up. The first thing we got to do is get some ground beef browned and add some Mexican spice to it. 2 teaspoons of Mexican spice, and we're going to add the taco starter sauce, 2 tablespoons. We got to slice up our jalapeno there. We're just going to put it on a section just to try for hot. Now I think we're ready to put stuff on there. I'm going to start with our ground beef. I tell you what though, it smells really good. Now I think we'll go with some beans. Thinly sliced red onion. Now we'll go with our cherries. Our cherries. Our cherry tomatoes are actually grape tomatoes. Okay, now we're going to go with Mexican cheese. Kind of all packaged up, ready to go for us. Mexican cheese shredded up. 1 package, 8 ounces equals 2 cups, and so that's what it calls for. That's what we're going with. Get a little taste. Oh, the old. Now look at how pretty that color is. Okay, we got our jalapeno, our KooKoo back 40 harvested jalapeno, first of the year, being put to use on the Mexican flatbread pizza, and we'll pop it in the oven and we can all see what comes out of it. Well, we've got the flatbread pie out of the oven, and it looks totally different than when we put it in. Looks really good, and I think it's time to cut it. After close observing, we have determined that this corner here is the one with the jalapeno. That's mine. We are supposed to have Mexican crim. Mexican crim, I learned this morning, is a sour cream type of product. We didn't have Mexican crim, so we're just going with plain sour cream. Now it's time. Mexican flatbread pizza, come to me. I'm going to tell you, the ground beef with the taco starter and Mexican seasoning is absolutely delicious. The sour cream is a must. Gives it a whole different dimension, I think it would. We got the crunch of the red onion still, but it's not overbearing. This is incredibly good. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoy all our videos. The products from the KooKoo Exchange, I'm telling you, they're fantastic. They are great products, from the sweetness to the savoriness. Subscribe to KooKoo with KooKoo, the YouTube page. Somewhere in here it pops up, or something in the description, or somewhere up here, down here, over around, there will be information on how you can get to KooKoo with KooKoo. And then, hey, if you really want to see what we do kind of on a daily basis, like our Facebook page, KooKoo for KooKoo. And until then, till we make our next pie or whatever it is we decide to make, and we'll be using probably some KooKoo Exchange product. We'll see ya. I hope you come back. It's been a lot of fun. Dave Myers, KooKoo for KooKoo. See ya.